If you're feeling stressed or anxious, this is the video for you. I'm Warren, I'm a clinical hypnotherapist, and this is the 4-minute nervous system reset. Find somewhere comfortable to sit or lie down and let your subconscious do the work for you.
Take a moment now and allow your eyes to focus softly on one point. And as you breathe in and slowly breathe out, notice that something has already begun to change. Not because you're trying, but because the nervous system responds automatically when you interrupt the pattern. And that's all we're doing right now. So breathe in gently for the count of 3. Hold for a second and breathe out gently for the count of 6. And again in for the count of 3. And out for the count of 6. Just letting go. Allowing your eyes to close gently. The jaw loosening. Some separation between the back teeth. The shoulders dropping slightly, and perhaps you realize you don't have to hold everything together. There's nothing for you to do right now. There's nothing for you to do right now. For the next few moments, you can let your mind relax. That's right. And as you listen, imagine you have the control room of your mind, turning down the dial from noisy to quiet, from stressed to calm. The dial's turned down, letting go of the pressures, the stresses, physical or emotional, from survival mode to safe. Begin to imagine a peace, a calm and a tranquility moving through your body from the top of your head. Perhaps there's a colour and a glow to it, down through the head and the face, the neck, the shoulders, the chest, the stomach, through the legs to the soles of the feet, the mind soothing and calming, the thoughts slowing, the body softening, breathing easier and steadier. And perhaps part of you notices that stress and anxiety are further away now, less urgent, because your mind and body work better when your nervous system feels safe and calm, teaching your body safety, teaching your mind stillness, teaching yourself that calm is something you can create. Just letting go, with a peace and a harmony. And in a moment I'm going to count 1 to 5, and at 5 you'll feel clearer, lighter and more grounded, with an easy control. So ready, 1, breathing in, 2, the mind clearing, 3, energy returning to your mind and body, and 4, the body resettling, and 5, eyes open, wide awake, calm and clear.